Hi everyone, Angela here. With Christmas just around the corner, you might be feeling like there's not enough time to make gifts. But don't worry, I've put together a collection of quick and easy DIY projects from my channel that are perfect for last-minute gift making. Links for all the tutorials are in the description and the first comment below. I've also included a playlist. First, we have cute little fabric birds that are a great scrap busting project. They only take 2 small pieces of fabric and they have quilted tails. You can use batting or fabric crumbs to fill them. 2 are these quick and easy bookmarks. Use up your scraps and those short pieces of ribbon, rickrack, or lace that aren't really good for anything else. These bookmarks are the perfect little add-on for a book gift. 3, a pen holder or a stylus holder. You just need a zipper, the same width elastic, and a little bit of ribbon. This is a great little add-on if you're gifting a journal or for someone to use with their tablet. 4, plain card holder. To make one, you'll need 2 buttons, some fabric, some batting, and 2 CDs or DVDs. Great for kids or if you have any hand issues. 5, scrappy folded coasters. You need a piece for the back, a piece for the inside lining, and 4 for the front. It's reversible, folded in this check pattern, and you can also fold the fabric into this pinwheel pattern. 6 is a coaster and a Christmas ornament as well. You can make it without this top part for a plain round coaster. 7, a mini trash can for the front of your car. With this rigid opening, you can easily toss in your trash. You can also use it as a trash can beside your sewing machine or for any type of storage. Use doggy poo bags to keep the inside clean and dry. 8, a quick and easy drawstring petal pouch. You only need 2 square pieces of fabric and a bit of ribbon. Makes a great stocking stuffer or a little gift at a place setting. 9, a jar opener. This project is really quick and easy, and all you need is a square of fabric and some non-slip drawer liner. This will help you get a sturdy grip on tight lids. 10, a lined zipper pouch with a boxed bottom. The way I make pouches, I don't add little zipper tabs at each end so that you can fully open it across the top. And this large decorative tab allows you to easily close the zipper. 11, any kind of hair scrunchie. I have lots of different styles on my channel. This one I've used a heavier, wide elastic, and you can also wear it as a wrist warmer. 12, eyeglass cases. This horizontal one is quick and easy with a front snap closure. This is a double case that you can add a hook to. This space-saving case conveniently holds 2 pairs of glasses. This next one has an elastic strap attached to the eyeglass case. When you're done reading, use the elastic as a bookmark and you'll always know where your reading glasses are. 13, the ever-popular bowl cozy. I have a method that reduces the bulk, gives you a cleaner finish around the edges, and all the layers are quilted together. These allow you to comfortably handle hot or cold food in your bowl. You can make patchwork bowl cozies with different fabrics, and you can also make bowl cozies with rounded corners. Why not pair them up with a set of coasters? 14, a quilted patchwork pot holder. This looks tricky, like you have to join all these little pieces together, but I promise you it's really simple. You start with 2 squares for the front and 1 square for the back. 15, a simple unlined tote bag with handles made of the same fabric, and the inside is nice and neat, finished with French seams. 16, a gift card or credit card holder. I designed this so that it's folded over from just one shape. 17. A mini box pouch. What I love about these is you open it up and you can see everything, and it folds up pretty flat. 18. A bone-shaped pillow sewn with 3 different fabrics. The elastics on the side are optional, but it's a little bit easier to move under your head. You can also use the elastic to put over a suitcase handle when traveling. Although this is a bigger item, it's actually a really quick project. 19. Hanging tea towels. This is my original design from 3 years ago. It's made with 2 small pieces of fabric with the towel pleated or gathered on. You can use the full towel or half a towel. Fold the top over your oven handle, thread the bottom through the band, and the towel stays in place. Pull on the band to easily remove it. Here are a couple of other designs using the full towel with the exact same concept. The center of this towel is gathered onto the band, and you simply tie it onto the handle. You can leave the towel plain or add some detail along the bottom. I have these 2 designs if you need to hang it onto a vertical handle or a hook. This is one of my easiest designs for a hanging tea towel with just a square and a gathered loop. 20 is a kitchen boa scarf. It's a kitchen towel that's been cut in half and joined on the ends of a long piece of fabric. You wear it around your neck like a scarf so that the towel's always handy. I hope you got a couple of ideas. Make sure to check out some of my other videos. Thanks again for watching, and happy holidays, everyone.